it is Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today we're going to do a fun craft, and it's a garbage to gorgeous. I went to Goodwill and I found these little clear globes, and it's something that typically people would just throw out when they're done with them. I found 3 of them and I'm using 1 for this project. I have 2 left, so if you guys have any ideas on what to use them for, be sure to leave that down in the comments below. But we are going to make a fun light. For this lamp, I have the 99-cent Goodwill lamp cover, the little light bulb cover. Just like that, I have 2 more of them. And I have this wood base from the craft store that I happen to have on hand already. I was going to buy ping pong balls and paint them. And then I found this. And I'm not sure if they're meant for ping pong, if they're meant for beer pong, or what exactly they're meant for. But I don't care because I love the colors. I'm going to put my base aside. We're going to come back to that later. What I'm going to do is a combo of my ultimate glue, which dries clear, and a little bit of hot glue. The hot glue will keep these balls in place while the other glue dries. So I think we will start with a pink right up in the middle. And there's no writing on these either, which I like a lot. Okay, we'll put a little dab of the white glue and a little dab of the hot glue. That hot glue is just being used to hold it in place. So I'm going to start like this, hold it in place until that hot glue hardens. Then I'm going to grab another color, white glue, hot glue. And I'm just going to keep working my way around. The green ones have writing, so I think I'm going to put that writing down at the bottom. And I'm butting them up against each other. If you're worried about them coming apart or popping off, you can add a little glue in between as well. Like wherever they're going to meet, you can add a little bit of glue. I just love these fun colors. So it's coming along, but I'm not sure I'm going to have enough balls. I think I won't. I think I'm going to be a little short. So I'm going to have to get some more. But it's coming along nicely, but I still have all this area left to fill. I had to order a second package of the balls because I didn't quite finish filling it up. But I'm just going to continue on adding more balls to the bottom. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just use the hot glue and the other glue mixed. I bought this light kit, and all it does is clamp right into it. I had my dad drill a hole in here, and all this does is clamp together and you push it through and it holds it nice and snug, just like that. Now I can paint my base. So I've decided I'm definitely going to add the little ping pong balls in the areas where there are bigger openings here, just to hide them a little bit. And I'm just going to do the same thing, add regular glue and a little bit of hot glue. And I'm only doing it where there are big gaps. If there aren't big gaps, I'm not going to really worry about it, unless it looks like it needs it. base is ready to be painted, and I'm using 2 purples because I couldn't decide which one to go for. And this will probably take at least 2 coats. So I have these little bead caps that I am going to paint different colors to put under the base to raise it up so we have a place for the cord to go through. It'll probably take 2 coats, and I'm going to do pink, yellow, red, and green. Here's our lamp all finished, and if you had a white base, you could have stopped and not put the extra ones on there, but I wanted to cover some of the larger holes. So it's got kind of a fun shape to it. And I need to go around and pick off some of the excess hot glue. Like there's a little bit here, and it peels off pretty easily. So I need to just take a little bit of time to do that. The other glue has dried. So here is my base. I've painted it purple. I've added feet. You can glue them on, you can screw them on, you can do whatever you want. And we have the hole. So I'm going to take my little light kit here and just press it through. I think it was like a 1-inch hole if I'm not mistaken. Okay, there it is. It clips in nice and secure. And now the cord can run underneath it, and this can still be nice and stable. So we're going to pop this guy right on there. It's going to just sit right on there. I'm going to plug that puppy in. I have an LED light bulb that I'm putting in here, and it's got the smaller base that fits into this particular light kit. It sits right on there, and now I'm going to turn it on. Yay! I'm going to turn all these lights off. Now we have this cool light that looks like a big old gumball machine. And this would make a very cool light in a dorm room, in a kid's room, in a family room, anywhere you want a little whimsical touch. Like the ping pong ball light fixture. It'd make a really cool lamp in a dorm room, or even like a kid's room or a playroom, or anywhere you just need a pop of color. It could be in the living room. And if you wanted to use it as a night light, you could just get a dimmer bulb and just have it kind of glow. But I thought that was a great find. I did not know that there was such thing as these colorful ping pong balls, because I was actually going to paint them all myself. And I was so happy when I happened across these, but they were relatively inexpensive, and I think they make a great little statement piece. So I hope you give it a try, and I will definitely see you next time, you guys. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.